Welcome everybody, my name is Ataberdev and I'm the founder and lead developer of studio called BC Interactive. And today I want to talk about the game or the project called Dead Inside. First of all, as many of you heard before, it's already been on Greenlight, we kind of been working on it, but just recently we basically changed the idea and the perspective of what the game will be. So if you've seen it before, good. I'll let you know in this first dev blog what the game is going to be about and how it's going to work, and show you the features and whatnot and what's going to be added. So basically, before we were aiming for zombie survival, apocalyptic stuff, as you remember, if not, where you could play either alone and have a story mode, or co-op with your friend or up to 4 players and basically have to survive and find the exit. And recently, about 2 days ago, maybe a bit more, about a week, who knows, we kind of decided on changing the direction of the game. We decided to make it something like, say, Rust, because Rust is one of basically my favorite games I've ever played, and of course DayZ, but what I like the Rust about is just the crafting, and just the aspect of it is just amazing. And as you can see right now, on your bottom right, there's a health bar. It looks like Rust. In the top left, which is Dead Inside, looks like Rust. This is just basically prefabs. Placeholders. They're gonna be there just for now. We're gonna be changing it. It's gonna look a bit different. But for today, I basically just wanted to show you around the scene. This is a scene that my level designer been working on for probably around a bit over a month. So I wanted to show you that, and of course this scene was meant for older Dead Inside version, but we're still gonna be using it, and it's gonna be more expandable. So basically, let me tell you, sorry for the lights, I've been playing with image effects and bloom, and I think I screwed something up. It looks too bright over there, kind of dark over here, and sometimes it just goes dark for no reason. But yeah, you see this? I'll definitely change this. Fix it. But anyway, as you can see, the level design is pretty sick looking so far for early build, I guess. And once again, my level designer was spent around a month of work. So it's coming, And if you wonder how big the map is gonna be, it's probably gonna be something the size of DayZ, like Chernobyl, I think, like 2 kilometers by 2, something like that, maybe more. And it's gonna be open world, so basically you can go anywhere. You'll be able to gather wood, metal, rocks, and craft and whatnot. For the first part, you see that this is just annoying. There's some farm here. And just so you know, like, there are a few models that my level designer made, like for example this fence, but most of it is just bought from different asset packs, such as different buildings, and whatnot. And a lot of stuff is going to change in the future, that's for sure. Let me see. But as you can see, it's vegetation and everything just looks beautiful. It's, for such early version of the level design, it looks amazing, and only one guy is basically working on the level design while I do programming and other stuff. I think there was a big barn over here. There is also a abandoned factory. See if we can find it. So there's a shack over there. And there is a factory, yes. And as you hear the sounds, I just recorded it basically around half hour ago, maybe more, just as a placeholder. This flushing is annoying as fuck. Oh no, that's just broken thing. I think it was somewhere nearby. Let me see if we can see through forest. But yeah, basically I wanted to show today is our building system. We're still working on it, and a lot of stuff's still gonna be added. But I want just gonna show you simplistic mechanics of it and how it all works and whatnot, you know, just kind of give you the taste of how the building system is gonna work. But of course it's gonna basically look like Rust, but I'm sure you'll like it. Let me show you this factory real quick and we'll move to building system. Oh, there you go. It's a bit dark again because I've been screwing around with the FX. Caution, area may contain hydraulic wastes, and of course it's gonna have radioactive zones, and all this stuff, all this jazz, boys and girls, of course. So let me just show you the system of our building system, just for this first development blog, and I'll let you know what we're gonna be adding in the next updates and whatnot. Let me find some flat surface around it. This is probably gonna work. Oh my god. Alrighty, so basically, first we have to put foundation, right? And there is area zones or radius which, like, you cannot be further away, you know. And of course, when it comes to the tree, you're not gonna be able to put it by the tree or on the top of the tree, you know. It's all works together. And another thing is, let's place it somewhere here so it's gonna give us space. You see the grass around? When we're gonna put the foundation, it's gonna remove the grass. Well, apparently not this one. But you see, so I removed all around. So a nice little feature, you know. Okay, should we do 2x2 or a bit? Let's do 2x2. Now I'm gonna put the pillars, of course. We'll always need those. Let's see. So for now it's basic, it's basically wooden building you can do. And there is a wall prefab. Just gonna make a little house here. Then there's a window, just one window is enough for now. And of course a doorway. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a stair, and you can rotate the stair as basically the way you like it. I'm gonna put it like this. And don't you think this looks a bit dark? I think so too. Let's put a torch. Alright, now we're gonna put floor on top of us so we can build a second floor. And that's kind of basics of the building system. You have stairs, you have doorway, windows, walls, pillars, you know, it kind of makes sounds. And of course, you can remove, there's a removal tool. I'll show you just in a second. Put a different pillar. So for example, you put the wall, of course, in your game, and you'll be able to remove it. There's gonna be different bindings. I'm not gonna tell you right now because it doesn't really matter, but as you can see in here, oops, you can remove those things that you don't want. Even this. So that's basically the basic building system we have at the moment. I'm gonna actually put a campfire. Yeah, look at this model, boy. It even pixelates the frickin' smoke. But that's basically it. I hope it kind of gives you an idea of what our building system will be. In the next video update, hopefully I'll be having complete inventory with crafting. Well, not complete, but you know, like kind of like the first versions of it. So yeah, and the health system will be added, of course. I mean, there is one, but I need more time to improve it. But basically, this is the first update of the Dead Inside. It's gonna be once again survival type of game where you could craft, build, kill animals and whatnot. And by the way, we were thinking about the zombies and whatnot, but you know, of course, zombie thing is kind of old, kind of annoying. So we're wondering whether we should add something more sci-fi, or I don't really know. We need to think more. And if you have any idea, of course, let us know. And That's about it. I hope I gave you kind of great idea. I think I'm repeating myself. But yeah, that's basically it. If you watched the video fully, thank you very much. I appreciate it. That's really nice. And I'll see you in the next update. Thanks again. See you guys later.